Hi everyone, I'm Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, streaming to you from my dungeon of dreams. Join me in the magical world of crochet, knitting, and all things yarn. If you're a fellow yarn enthusiast, hit that subscribe button and become part of our creative journey. Let's dive into today's project. Hi, welcome to Things We're Making Thursday.
Things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday.
Things We're Making Thursday is a collab that's in its third year. It's a collab that anybody can join. There's no asking permission. If you think once you hear about it, if you think you like it, just join in. You can make a video and just tag it with the hashtag TWMT for Things We're Making Thursday. So you don't have to ask any permission. Just see what we're doing, join in. If you're not a content creator, but you still want to join in and have some fun with us, there is a Facebook page. I have it listed in my description, but the Facebook page is just called Things We're Making Thursday. Feel free to join that and become part of what goes on there. So we're into our third year of this collab. The first year we all made the same free pattern, and then we would compare what we made and see how it looked different depending on the type of yarn or interpretation of the pattern and so on. Last year we had themes for every month, and you would find a pattern that matched that theme. And remember, there's no rules for this. So there's no Things We're Making Thursday police out there saying, oh, that doesn't match the theme, or oh, that's not good enough. Nobody's policing it. This is just something to do for fun. If you wanted to put content out there, if you wanted to see what everybody was doing. This year there is a theme for each month, but the whole thing is called Year of Creation, so you're supposed to create your own pattern based on that theme. And we started easy. We just started with dishcloths or washcloths, and basically you could just look for your favorite stitch and then decide how big you want it to be and, make a square. And then we've done scarves. And this month we're doing cup cozies, and each month it gets a little bit more challenging. I have a list of what the theme is for every month in my description. That way, if you'd like to join in with us, whether it be on the Facebook page or whether it be making a video, you'll know what to do. And you can just, if you're making a video, just post the themes for each month in your video and share what we're doing and the hashtag TWMT, and maybe you can get this collab out even farther. So I have made a cup cozy. I wanted to let you know that the cup that I'm using is just my cup. It's not advertising for any company. It just happens to be the cup that I have. I'm not affiliated with it. I'm not getting any kind of money for showing this kind of cup. This cup I found at the store and I loved it and got it. That's all there is. So this is the stitch that I decided to do for my cup cozy, and I just made one long rectangle, and then I put ties at the end and I tied it together. So there's a tie on each of the four corners of the rectangle, and then I just kind of tucked the tie in there. But I'm really excited. I love what these add to the cups. Maybe it's just me, but I really love how these look around the cups. I have a tutorial out for this if you wanted to make my design. It was released today, so take a look for it and enjoy. I hope to see you participating and sharing this out. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.